Hey, Riley, come here.
What?
Come here. Check this out. Star Wars Battlefront 2, the GOG installer, it's rated platinum on the Wine app database.
Oh my god.
I know. I love this game so much. I just bought it. Okay. All right. So let's just to make sure we do it right. Wine setup. Here we go. Let's let it run. That's small. Yeah, whatever. I've read and accept the email like 1,000 times. Okay. Just give it a frickin' second. Are you psyched, Riley? It's platinum.
Dude, I'm so excited.
That means it's guaranteed to work out of the box with no special configuration, no wine tricks, no changing an INI file, nothing. It works perfect right out of the box. No configuration required. It's actually taken a minute to install.
Democracy. Why did it say democracy?
GOG's awesome. It's like, hey, you bought something. You can do whatever you want with it. It's like, oh, really? I can? Because that's how much we've been cucked that's like new to us. Like that whole idea, it's novel. In the 2000s, people like it was so easy to get a no CD crack and nobody gave a shit. Like there was no centralized DRM. They couldn't. Here, see, look. Let's go back to the wine site real quick. So look at this. Look at this. What does? Let's go to the app database homepage. Here's what. Platinum applications which install and run flawlessly on an out-of-the-box wine installation. Gold, applications that work flawlessly with special configuration. Silver, minor issues that don't affect typical usage, and then it just goes down from there. But platinum, flawlessly out of the box on a wine installation. Okay. Flawlessly out of the box. Platinum, guaranteed, right? It's guaranteed. For the record, it doesn't take this long to install on Windows. It's a 2005 game. You ever hear people say on Linux that it's more user-friendly? They've literally said that, but they say to run a wine program properly, you're supposed to run it through the terminal with a command. Because it's more user-friendly.
Uh-huh.
They don't understand how they sound to normal people. I'm not like an idiot. Like, I know how to do, like, a lot of stuff with code, so it's not like I'm some sort of retard here. You've seen my HTML webpage.
I try to...
You've seen my CSS webpage when I was learning, when I was figuring it out.
I try to pretend it doesn't exist.
What, the picture or the site?
Yes.
Okay, oh, alright. Battlefront was installed correctly. You ready to launch, Riley?
Oh, fuck
this
yeah,
is
dude.
Platinum. This is guaranteed
let's play
to
some
work.
Battlefront.
Launch. What? How close can you zoom in on that?
I'm gonna have to get a lot closer.
Yeah, I'll turn it.
Oh, we lost it.
Failed attempt to launch program or document. Action Battlefront2.exe. Params/lang0. Directory name invalid. The fuck? Battlefront 2. The current thread will exit. What the fuck? What do you mean directory name is invalid? It's the directory name you created. Alright, let's you know what? Maybe I just gotta launch it directly. Maybe the installer is bad at launching it. So let's go. Wine, Drive C, program from... No, it's in GOG Games. Stars Battlefront 2. Where is it? swb2launcher.exe. Okay, let's try this. Let's run it again. Oh! Failed attempt to launch program or document. Directory name invalid. The hell? What if I change the directory name? Will that make it work? Here, let's just call it Star Wars. Does that make it work? Because it said the directory name was invalid. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's just do a new terminal window. Wine. SWBT. Same issue, so apparently it's not the directory name. What the fuck? Look at this. Fucking look at this. Platinum. Platinum. What does platinum mean? Platinum means will install and run flawlessly out of the box. Fucking Linux.